how to use conditional formatting based on specific text in Microsoft Excel. So in a high volume spreadsheet, important status updates can get lost in a sea of text. You shouldn't have to read every cell to find the out of stock items or the completed tasks. Today I'm showing you how to use conditional formatting to automatically change the color of cells based on specific text in this video. Okay, so start by highlighting the column or range of cells containing the text you want to format. So say I will choose this. Then navigate to the Home tab and then select our conditional formatting right here. Right, and hover over Highlight Cells Rules and then select text that contains. Right, and in the dialog box, type in the specific keyword you're targeting. For example, overdue or approved. And then you can select a formatting style from the drop-down right over here, or choose custom format to apply specific corporate colors and font styles. So I will just choose a light red fill. And OK. All right, and now as you can see, I've changed my text color. Alright, and once you hit OK, the formatting applies instantly to every matching cell in your selection. Then it's going to be optimization turn, managing logic tiers. If your report requires multiple status colors, such as red for late and green for paid, you can simply repeat these steps for each word. So to keep your sheet organized, go to the conditional formatting again, and then press on Manage Rules. And this menu allows you to edit your existing logic, change color priorities, or update the cell ranges if your dataset expands. So just use this. And mastering these visual rules ensures that your most important data is always front and center, allowing for faster decision making and clear presentations. If this helps clarify your reporting workflow, let me know, and we can move on to more advanced data visualization techniques later. Thank you for watching, guys.